Good morning, Celia. It's your boyfriend. How'd you sleep? Did you get up early today? I guess we'll find out upon me sending this if you did.
Where private planes fly to and from.
It ain't easy. You get to fall apart. The end of this tunnel. If you're hurting, it means you're here.
So, anyways, I hope you wake up and have a lovely morning. That sounded a little weird saying I hope you wake up. I hope that when you wake up, you have a lovely morning. And I love you very, very much. And I get to see you in a couple days. So that's pretty awesome.
But on the run.
Okay, bye-bye.